I wake up, flex on down that check. No drip is wet, tell 'em run it on. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it on.
Welcome back to the channel.
Hey, you got a new hood. That's like that thing looks like a Halo helmet.
That's pretty nice, isn't it?
That's pretty sweet.
Thanks.
Does it make you like
My thing went down as I was trying to
wow, that's pretty badass.
I didn't have my welder. I don't know what I'm doing. Isn't it pretty cool?
That's a really nice helmet they got.
Thanks.
It looks
Yeah,
like
it's really
Iron Man or
fancy.
something.
No, check this out. Look at that. It's like all digital display.
Whoa, what?
I know,
For
right?
what?
Yeah, this is fancy.
Holy crap.
This is like what professional welders use. I don't know how I got it. Whatever.
Yeah, you don't need that. You're just a weekend guy.
They sponsored me, so whatever.
What? So, Joe got these tacked up and welded. And I'm moving on to the brakes because we're waiting on some stuff to make these,
Like
which
the
the
washers
washers came in.
Did you bring them?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you explain to the people how we're going to make these?
I can explain to the people. That way,
Where did I
if
put
there's like a certified
Oh.
person
So
there
if
that
you
can tell me I'm
if you
doing it
don't
wrong.
want to do what Joe's about to show you how to do, what you can do is get an S197 K member, S197 spindles and control arms, and you can actually negate this whole process that we have to do.
Yeah, so what we're doing is, hold on, I need another piece of pipe. 1 second. 1 second.
So what Joe's about to show us is what you have to make in order to tube your front end on your S550 if you don't want an S197 front.
So the problem is the front K member, I mean, everyone knows it's really far out. Most K members are in the back, so you cut it here and you're fine.
Yeah.
This one, they got these. So, obviously you got your tube coming out forward like this. How do you mount that, right?
Yeah.
So what you do is what we're doing is I tubing notch this to fit this really good. And I'm gonna end up cutting this really short. So this, and then I'm gonna put a washer on the bottom so it'll be flat, you know, whatever. You get the picture. We're gonna cut it and put this washer at the bottom and weld it. And we're gonna do that on the top and the bottom. So then, you know, the pipe's gonna sit like this or so. This pipe's gonna sit on it. And then we'll have another one on the top with a washer on the top, and then a bolt will go through it. And then we even have a piece of chromoly that's gonna go through the center so it can't collapse.
like a sleeve. Yeah.
Just like the factory, these have sleeves
Yeah,
in
so
them.
the
So it can't
factory's got sleeves in
collapse.
there. Yeah.
We're gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna have these and have it all built up, and then we're gonna have a sleeve going through there so it can't collapse, and it'll be bolted to this tube that's going through. It's a lot of work. I know there's one other guy that's done this, and he actually used coped steel spacers, so they were solid steel, and he had someone cope them, which is just notch, to fit there, and then he drilled a hole through it. In the end, I talked to a few machinists, they're like, oh no, this will be plenty fine. We got a local guy that's supposed to be making these out of chromoly. We prefer that,
Yeah.
but we're only going to give him like a day or two if he doesn't do it. Dave got some hardened steel washers that I can weld on the end, so it's not a big deal.
But that's the way to do it.
That's the way to do it. It's
This is
going
what
to be a
holds
huge
us
pain
up.
in the butt.
Yeah.
No, it is. It adds. We talked about this when we were doing the tube front end. This was like a serious decision for a while because we were going to cut the front end right here
In
so
front
we
of
didn't
it,
have to do
yeah.
this because this legitimately, like, I'm not the fastest fabricator, but this is going to add a half a day to a day's worth of work for me. Like,
Easy.
it just, it takes time. There's a lot of measuring. I don't do this every day, even though it seems like it. Maybe I'm just slow, I don't know. But it's going to take me a half a day to do this. But I've already got like everything prepped and ready. So it shouldn't take too long once we get
But I decided I wanted it from the strut towers forward, just like Joe's car.
It looks so much better. And then, yeah, we're going to have a piece of chromoly, which I think we've already explained.
Yeah, because if we did it from here, like, it would have just been like a 1 foot section.
No,
like, it wouldn't have been a true tubed
And
front.
we'll be cutting like these off.
Yeah, we don't need those anymore. So that's how we're going to do it. But for now, I'm moving on to the manual brake system. So we're going to wait for the chromo.
Yeah, we're going to give him I'll give him tomorrow. If he doesn't get me parts tomorrow, then probably Thursday night we'll start with those.
Cool.
Because I think the goal is 2 big goals this weekend, which is irrelevant for most people, but for us here in this garage, Street Car Joe, we want to get this front end tacked up this weekend, and I'm painting that cage this weekend. Those are the 2 big goals. Which
And
you should show us.
I got to get my brakes done.
Sneak peek carbon.
Woo!
Oh my gosh, isn't that sick?
Joe, you need one of these for your car.
I do, so bad.
You should have done that on the Trans Am.
I should have.
It's got to save a decent amount of weight. Look at the fitment. Oh my gosh.
Looks so good.
So yeah, Joe will be cutting that thing off this week, huh?
Yeah.
You're crazy.
But yeah, that's our goals for this weekend. And also, yeah, Dave needs to get parts on the way. Dave's car's going in the trailer.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
It does.
All right, end video here. Yeah. Joe's talking a bunch of BS.
No, it's all true, Dave.
But we did cut all the metal off over there, so we can move the fuse box and PCM over there.
I didn't do any of that metal work. And look how good. Ow! What the? Is it not done?
It needs some work.
Oh my god! I was just complimenting you too, and I
spoke too soon. So Dave's got some finishing work to do over there.
Dave!
Why can't you rub that? An idiot.
So that was good. It looked. Oh my god! Last time I ever give you a compliment.
Yeah, you shouldn't have done that. That was your problem. Never do that. Never compliment me. So yeah, we got that all moved. The reason why I haven't mounted everything is because we need the engine to make sure all the harness still reaches. Because factory, it's over here, and we're moving it all back here. So we'll probably have to extend a few wires, hopefully not many. And check out my little mascot I got. Look at that. Pretty neat. So yeah, I mounted the proportioning valve. And then I got to figure out where I'm going to put line lock. And then we'll start making some brake lines. Joe, what do you got going on tonight? Nothing? You going to take a nap?
No, I'm working on this car over here.
You need some popcorn?
Tonight. I do have some popcorn in there. Do you want some?
No.
I'm mounting the dash. So this is a two-piece dash. I've done all the trimming and everything. So I'm going to build the bracketry. There's going to be a Zeus fastener, I think, right here. Somewhere in this area, a Zeus fastener. And then I got to build something in the middle to have a Zeus fastener, maybe here. I'll probably build a cage. So there's a Zeus here and a Zeus there to hold the middle, and then a Zeus on each outside. So yeah, I'm just
it says airbag on it.
Isn't that great? God. We're putting a radio right here, and then here, check. Hold on. Don't move. Don't move. We just picked this up for his air conditioning.
Oh, sweet.
So we're gonna put the AC.
That's so weird. That looks just like the one from your Trans Am that you took
they're the same cars. So yeah, but this will have heat and AC and everything. So I got the piece. We sourced this.
I want to get the stickers for mine that look like the.
Why would you get the stickers? Why wouldn't you put the real stuff in there?
Nah, I want the fake stuff in mine.
Dude, what's this dash made out of?
Plaster? Oh, it's a mess in there. Don't look in there.
Okay.
Custom wiring job coming soon by Streetcar Joe.
Yeah, I tried. You didn't want to.
Oh, here we go. Anyways, we'll do an update on Aaron's car soon. Joe's got a ton of work to do.
I think we were talking about once I get the cage painted, we're going to do an update because I've been making a lot of progress.
Oh yeah.
Plumbing and a whole bunch of stuff, but we're going to do a whole update video. Probably I'd say in a week or two.
Yeah.
It's going to be in a good spot.
Want to make some big progress before we show you guys.
Yeah, which I made big progress. It's just, anyways.
Joe's got different standards.
I got different standards. I want the car to be like so worthy for the update video.
I don't have standards.
You don't have standards.
I just cut.
Apparently, by my finger.
Ow. Mine's good. We got some grinding to do. Oh, yeah. Shoot. Call the doctor.
Call the doctor.
He's injured.
What is this?
Oh, I was just holding those wires.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is this?
All right, so I'm going to get working on the brake lines, and Joe's going to take a nap and eat some popcorn. We're not getting ice cream.
Dude.
You know what I love doing, Joe? Things twice. Always read directions, people.
Ice cream.
And you know what's messed up? Is I said, Joe, this sucks. I have to bleed this. And you're like, well, yeah, you should have done that.
I thought y'all bled it.
I guess I was over here messing around. Anyways, you're supposed to bench bleed your brake reservoir before installing it. And Dave did not because Dave's an idiot. So here we are. Let's say 3/4 to 1 inch strokes.
Wait 15 seconds to avoid irrigation.
Like hold it in for 15 seconds?
No. Slowly depressing using 3/4 1 inch strokes. It's that short stroke, Dave. You're that guy.
I don't last 15 seconds. I only got that much time. Is it working?
I don't know.
This thing's a piece of crap. It's ice cream time?
Yes. Let's go.
No, we gotta
Let's go somewhere new tonight.
Dairy Queen. Butterscotch dip cone.
You want to go Dairy Queen? Let's go.
No, that's trash.
Let's go. No, what time is it? Let's go.
We don't have time. We're out of time. What time is it?
10 o'clock.
Oh, they're closed for sure.
No.
I guarantee Dairy Queen's closed.
Oh, that would be so sad.
If Dairy Queen's closed, you're buying my ice cream.
Where?
I've
bought the last several times.
No, you didn't.
I have too, because we've been taking my vehicle.
That's because you got your stimulus check.
Oh, they're closed.
Ah, boo-hoo.
Boo-hoo-hoo. They close at 10 o'clock.
Great.
You're a little... fucker!
Alright, so we got this bled. Kept the lines on, capped them. Got the portioning valve mounted. Got some fittings in there, need to tighten those up. And then got the fittings for the line lock. Line lock's gonna sit over here. And then I'm gonna have to get another fitting for that one to convert that line. And then we can start working on the main line that'll go back to the rear brakes, and then a main line that goes to the front brakes. And Streetcar Joe still hasn't got ice cream, so he's upset. Don't ya?
You say ice cream?
Don't ya? Hey, why aren't you wearing your new helmet?
That's like, I only like to wear it when I'm on the table. I want to be all stretched up.
Ah.
It's kind of pricey.
Only when you're working on my car, right?
What are you doing, Dave?
We're not making it.
Dave. Well, I understand a part doesn't fit, but sitting there in sorrow is not going to make the problem better, Dave. There's plenty of work to be done up here. You don't need to sit back there and pout about it.
You know, guys.
Sorry, you got the heater going. It's cold out.
TX2K21.
Dude, your battery's dead. Are you stupid?
Oh, man. Again? See?
Do you keep spares?
No, I don't.
No, typical.
How do we run it?
So he bought some spacers because we're having a little bit of fitment issues, and the spacers don't fit. I'm so glad he ordered them because he's been telling me to order them. Woo, he would have been mad at Joe.
That's why you didn't want to.
I would have never. Oh my gosh, Dave, what is going on in here?
That's a Streetcar Joe wiring.
Oh my gosh.
You know, guys, we're going to get this car done. We're going to persevere, and we're going to get it done.
See, that's the attitude, buddy. Hey, we can take my truck tonight. Do you want to go get ice cream? Nah, that's carbon. Hey, I haven't seen that video go live. Has that video gone live, or did you cut it all out?
No, I took that out.
Did you really?
Yeah.
You little bitch.
You said it was all carbon.
Listen to it. Carbon as a motherfucker.
We should go jump on your car.
Hey, yeah, the fiberglass will break. I can't afford that rich carbon stuff. Like, look at that. Dave, I know what'll cheer you up, buddy. So let's go get some ice cream.
The machine shop wants to comment down below and machine these for me.
Well, when are you posting this?
the car will be sold by the time it's posted.
I had a live buyer, but...
Joe, you haven't done anything on my car. And you've been clocked in for weeks.
I have. Just wait till you get the bill, buddy. Wait till you get the bill.
Hey, I did get the manual brakes, you know?
Yeah.
Up there, got line lock.
He started manual brakes, and then he spilled all of it on the ground, and it just took me over an hour to clean it all up, and it etched my floor. Here, let me show you. Because you're so good at ruining my floor.
I think it's nice, like, gives it a matte finish.
Yeah. Yeah. See,
you don't want to gloss.
Nope, you can see the difference. The difference in the sheen from here to here, yeah, that's brake fluid. It ate my floor. And then look at here, like all that is brake fluid. Yeah, you better try to hide it, buddy. Why don't you chip my concrete some more? Yeah, he doesn't even have I don't know what to say now. He doesn't even have something to say on that.
And we'll see you guys on the next one. Oh man, we're screwed.
Dave, you're a failure.
We really failed this year.
You failed. I did great.
Last year I thought it was a great.
I did great. Dave failed.